A London couple have won a 6-year battle against FIFA to use the Golden Balls trademark on their own sportswear brand. Gus and Inés Badur were taken to court by FIFA's Ballon d'Or, an award for the world's best footballer, over copyright infringement. Since then, they've had to pay thousands of pounds in legal fees, fighting to keep their business name. The couple have joined us in the studio. Thanks very much for coming in. So tell us about the background to this, because you'd been using Golden Balls since about 2001, but it wasn't until 2007 that FIFA got involved. So tell us what happened, Inés.
Basically, we had the trademark from 2001, started trading from 2002, and we sold T-shirts, tracksuits from our website. And then in 2007, we got a licensing deal for the game show Golden Balls with Endemol. And within 2 months of that, we got a fax saying, give us your domain name, sign your trademarks over, stop trading, or we're going to take you to court.
Well, Gus, I can see you there shaking your head. What's that moment like when you get this message through from FIFA?
Well, it's actually from the owners of the Ballon d'Or, which they emerged with FIFA in 2010. And they're a large organisation, and from the start, they just start bullying us from the very start. So, like...
Well, explain what the situation is, because they've said, obviously, it's Ballon d'Or, which translates to ball of gold, or golden ball, if you're going to be even more specific. And what you were saying is, you had that a long time before, but also yours is plural rather than singular, isn't it?
And it also translates to balloon of gold. So there was no direct translation. They do a football award. We have nothing to do with the football award, and we just didn't understand why they were coming for us. There are other Golden Ball awards, and FIFA originally had the FIFA Adidas Golden Ball Award.
It's about £100,000 that you've had to spend on legal fees for this. What sort of impact has it had on your business?
Business stood still, basically. And they said we couldn't talk to you direct. You have to go to lawyers. So we had no choice. So it just was awful. We've got 2 children. You had to watch us. We didn't sleep for a couple of years, and it's just unfair. They just bullied us. And
it's very much a David and Goliath battle, wasn't it? At some points, Gus, did you think that you just wanted to give up the fight, that perhaps it wasn't winnable?
Never. No one likes bullies, and we weren't going to get bullied. Ina's done most of the work. She set up endless nights and days just concentrating. My nickname for Inez was Avrin Brokovich, always. She fights really hard. And we just weren't going to get bullied. And like Ina said earlier on, FIFA do a Golden Ball Award. And it had a serious effect on our business.
Yeah. So what happens now? Now that you've won, what's the next step then?
The next stage is we get our other trademarks in Europe, and hopefully for us, we want to have compensation, basically, for where they've held back our business. The game show was going to go around the world in 2008. That didn't happen. We were approached to do scratch cards all around the world with our logo for different sports. That didn't happen. My shop that I had in West Hampstead, which we've been on London Tonight before, that had to close because we couldn't sign a 5-year lease because of it. So there's enough. And for me, the main thing is the time I wasn't with my children. I was there at the computer having to do, because they sent all the evidence in boxes in French, and we had to get it all translated and then respond in French. So it's just been a nightmare. So
it's a nightmare, but it's a battle that you won.
Yes.
So huge congratulations
so happy
to you both. Well, thank you both for joining us and telling us your story.
Thank you.